How to change your address on Scotiabank's online banking platform. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Unfortunately, you cannot change your address on Scotiabank mobile application. For this, you will have to use the online banking process. So first of all, head over to your web browser and visit scotiabank.com. Once that is done, log into your account using your credentials. After that, you need to access the Manage My Account section. This is available on the top right corner usually. So tap on it. Once you tap on the Manage My Account tab, it will take you to another page which is the Change Address option. Click on the Update button and this way you will receive an access code. If you do not have an access code, refer to the Scotia's help resources or watch the tutorial on creating one. Once this is done, update all the details and address. After that, you can confirm the changes and tap on Finish, and just by that, you have changed the address on Scotiabank. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.